Another challenge we got with walls here. We're fitting this tall cabinet unit here, obviously that's going to house our microwave and our oven. Now fitting it conventional way, we've got it on a rail system like you should have it, and we have a level here which is perfect. Well, the distance up here between the wall and the top of that unit is 1 centimetre. The distance down here at the bottom here is 3.5 centimetres. And that's on this particular area where the track is flush. Unfortunately, we've had to pack it out to keep that rail straight. And now, when we put the other panel down the bottom here on this side, where it's going to house the fridge freezer, we've actually got 5 centimetres gap. So we're going to have to take off the rails, fit these individually against the walls, and adjust these support brackets up here and move them back into the cabinet so we can get the whole cabinet against the wall. And then we're going to have to cut the side panels accordingly. Just another challenge that we come across with walls not being straight, not only here but also back in the UK. You just have to do the best you can. Yeah, we'll get on with it.